All right, let's turn to our river now. Mysterious, what they're calling sheens, were spotted on the Mississippi this week, and it had some state agencies trying to figure out what was causing this. And within the last couple of hours, we've learned the results from the water samples. Heidi joins us now with what those results show. Hi, Heidi.
Hi, Jana. Samples of the water were taken to the Minnesota Department of Health for testing. This afternoon, we learned from the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency that so far all of the samples have come back negative for, quote, substances which would pose a threat to the safety of municipal drinking water systems.
The Mississippi River brings joy to Minnesotans like Harry Dittler, who lives near the river in Coon Rapids.
We really enjoy it. It's recreational, it's quiet most of the time.
But this week, the Mississippi is making news for mysterious sheens on the water, a shiny or iridescent appearance on the surface. The Fridley Fire Department reported the first Tuesday afternoon, spotted at the Highway 610 bridge in Coon Rapids. A second smaller sheen was reported Wednesday morning near West Coon Rapids Dam Regional Park. State agencies are investigating if the second sheen is connected to the first. Both have dissipated and no more sheens have been spotted since then. The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency says the type of substance is still unknown. But the MPCA has info on sheens saying that if there is not an obvious source of petroleum that could have been spilled, the sheen may be produced by bacteria. A bacterial sheen will typically break up into small platelets, while a petroleum one will quickly reform. State agencies are working closely with local agencies and in a statement said, quote, "We are committed to protecting Minnesotans and ensuring the safety of drinking water supplies. The cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul confirm their water remains safe to drink." Crews on site deployed booms to divert the sheen away from city water intakes in Minneapolis and St. Paul. St. Paul Regional Water Services said there is no immediate threat to their drinking water supply and that they're using water from lakes and wells at this point. SPRWS also said it, quote, shut down the intake pumping station at Fridley on the Mississippi River, preventing flow from reaching the chain of lakes within our surface water supply. Meanwhile, Minneapolis briefly shut off intake portals from the river and deployed a surface boom to prevent any potential contamination from entering the water treatment system. The city reopened intakes Wednesday morning. Testing found no toxicity. According to the city, quote, the Minneapolis Public Works Department is taking additional precautions in its water treatment operations, including deploying surface boom, drawing water deeper below the surface, adding supplemental powdered activated carbon to the treatment process, and conducting regular testing at the intake and the continuous biomonitoring by river mussels.
Even though the samples have come back negative, state agencies say they're continuing to test to identify a potential source. Jana.